Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Now we are going to start the game your car simulator 2. I have got surprise for you. Wait a second. I got Juto Supra today as well. So I shall show you later. Stadium. That car I was telling you to see. Look, my new car. Well, this looks strange. This one. I said other one because that was not good. So Civic, this don't have Lambo doors. It's sporty. Car, the doors are sport. Toyota Supra. 3 kilometers. So let's get out. Hey! My car now I have changed the number plate too. I bought it today as well. I'm gonna show you where did I bought from. As you know, but I should remind you again if you want to buy this car from that day. It wasn't this, so it was with the original this one. So I should show you and show you. Look over here. Opera Game Showroom. Door closed. Open. There is the Sakura Supra. It does not have number plate on it, but it will play me the Pride 4 car. So it was Pride 4 car. Now we are gonna go to Mafia job. Indicators are there too. Look. If you want to see, look, these are blinking indicators. Let's go Civic test drive, they will review. So you should wait, I will show you the car only. Which one we are gonna steal today? Stop! I think this is new. Get out of it. Okay. Yeah. A Pride car that I'm driving. Oh, too much gears. And another car is with under blueprint, so I will show you. Let's take a view of this car on the bridge. See this car only. So let's see it. How does the door work? So let's see. And no time. So continue. Get out of here then. Give that car. I don't like this color. I think the girl was driving this car. So I've stolen that car. Ay, kai. Ay, bhar. So tell me, subscribe. So what? Which one is okay? This one or that one? And pick of this. Which one is greater? Oh, these stupid ads. Hey. Oh. So no Lambo doors. I told you that. This is the engine of this car. The trunk. We should make the review of this car. I like this car so much that I collect 100 blueprints. Now I have 2 left. Yeah, make the review. Let's make the review on the big circle. Look, it's on you go. So let's be the Akabakkar. Bakkar Bombebo, Asi Nave Pure. So Khyber. Then we are going. $60 kilometers. Okay. Car test drive will be tomorrow, so it's 10 o'clock or the night. So test drive is tomorrow. We will take. We should make the review, quick review of this car. So we should start with the Civic first. This one we should show you the engine. This one, oh, we have done with this car. So we should remember the feature. I didn't show you this woofer. Sound system as you hear. Now let's make the quick review of this car. Then we will park all the cars. Look. Now let's go through here. This is for I show you the surprise on the first gaming vlog. So I show you already this thing. Let's hit it. Both are Lambo doors. Okay, so let's check. Too louder. Now this turn. This has engine, very cool engine. Got to close this door. So test drive is tomorrow. Then there are no time today and right now, so test drive will be tomorrow. The missing will be here right now. If you want not a test drive, no woofer in this car. There's no woofer in this car. That's it for the video. So I just forgot to show you the fuel cap. Okay, now park the cars. Too late. Now we go straight start the video. Park the cars, hurry up. The other Khyber has this. Oh, now let's stop the video. So I should park the car. So goodbye.